Today in this video, I will show you how to make unlimited Shiba Inu coin. The website called Free Shiba Unlimited gives the Shiba Inu according to our task and other activities. First of all, we can see total earned coin. You can also refer your friends. You will get 50% that your friend earned. There are many activities that give us huge Shiba Inu coins. In this tab, you will get your referral link. In the achievement tabs, you can see your rewards and the progress. At next, there is a dice tab that you can roll the dice and win. There's a chance to win or lose 50-50 percentage. There is many tab like auto faucet, manual faucet. In auto faucet, you can watch ads and make rewards. In manual faucet, rewards is collected in every 5 minutes. You need to complete captcha. At next, there is a tab called Wheel of Fortune. You can spin the wheel and take the rewards. You need to complete captcha every time. At mainly, you can earn reward by mining. If you have a PC, the mining get very fast. You can also mine in smartphone. It will make around 6 to 7 hash. When the hash rate increases, you will get more rewards. There is a short link tab that can make money from many tasks. They are very simple tasks and give us many rewards. By PTC tab, you can make money by watching YouTube videos. One of the best way to make token. I recommend you to go to this tab. And the next tab got lottery. In the lottery, you will can win many tokens. There are many winners. They will get huge amount. At last, you can see that task. It will give you millions of tokens. This tab help you to get millions of Shiba Inu coins. Thank you for that, and I say Shiba is the best coin that I have seen.